Wario ruined Cinco de Mayo / grounded. Alright, yesterday was Star Wars Day, and today is Cinco de Mayo. So we gotta get to the Tolateca restaurant so we can enjoy it. Great fan! Okay, let's start driving the car right now. Alright, we arrived at the restaurant, so let's wait until the people are done. No, I am not going to wait. We're gonna talk about this when we get back to the castle.